Yo, what's good everyone? Today's video is all about how you can cop the Nike Dunk Street Hawker for retail. Let's go. Yo, Happy New Year everyone. Welcome back to Snkrs Kicks 2021. We're starting off with a banger video. I'm going to show you guys how you can cop the Nike Dunk Low Street Hawker. This shoe is highly coveted, going to be so hard to cop. But if you guys have seen any of my how to cop guides in the past, I've made a ton of them, but they usually work pretty good. So today I'm going to help you guys cop the Nike Dunk Street Hawker for retail. First video of 2021. If you guys haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big like. Thumbs up helps the channel in a big way. Thank you guys for all your support from last year. But this year, moving forward, we're going to have a crazy good year. Can help you guys get all the shoes, kicks you need. So let's go. All right, so like I said, we're going to discuss how you can cop the Nike Dunk Low Street Hawker. Going to go through the shoe real quick, show you guys the shoe, kind of break down the materials. Then I'll get into some of the sites and ways that you can cop the shoe. And then also a little resale prediction guide, because this shoe you guys won't want to miss out on. The release has already been delayed from the 13th, I believe, to the 22nd. So I'm going to show you guys the shoe right here. Then we're going to get into how you guys can cop it. All right, on Nike Sneakers on the desktop, you can go into upcoming is where the shoes are at, and you can see January 22nd, we have the Nike Dunk Low Street Hawker. I absolutely love the shoe. If you guys are more interested in the designs and stuff, go check out the behind the design on these shoes. It's on the Snkrs app. It's just one of the videos they show. And the details on the shoe go so crazy. I love everything about it. As you can see, the shoe is kind of based off of some different roots from China. It goes off of a bunch of different Chinese food, and the vendors actually in China are called hawkers. And so that's kind of where the name of the shoe gets its origins from. And you can kind of see some of the different dishes on there. There's like the shrimp kind of on the toe of this one. You got the different symbols on the back, and there's a bunch of different mashups on the shoe, and I love how they're different. I think they said they incorporated about 6 different like dishes on the shoe, but the materials already look amazing on the shoe. And I mean, most shoes already look better in hand, and these ones definitely are gonna hit so good. The watercolor graphics are what brings each meal to life, is what it says right here. And definitely the different like colors on the shoe just make it stand out so much. And I love the brown swoosh right here too, the decal right there. And honestly, this is a shoe you're not gonna wanna sleep on. Like I said, retail's only $110. Of course, it's a dunk, but resale is looking pretty crazy right now. If we take a look on StockX, we can see that prices are very, very high right now. Of course, usually pre-release. They've dropped a little bit around bigger sizes, 800 to 900 about. Small sizes still hitting pretty big, but obviously I think in the future this shoe will go for over 1,000, and that's my resale guide with it. But as the shoe comes out and once pair come in, I think it will settle around probably like 600 to 800 in that range, depending the size. But still gonna be a very, very nice cop. And if you want a quick flip, that's easy, 600 bucks there. If you're trying to add to the collection like me, I definitely want to throw these up on the wall. Then you will definitely want to be following the tips I got today. It's going to be hard to cop, stock's very low, but Nike Sneakers is probably going to be your best bet for this. And in the past, I have posted a couple different how to cop guides. If you've seen, I've been able to cop some of them. I did one right before the Travis Scott 270s. I showed everyone how to get them. The next day, I did a review on them. I said I got them. And so I really have some good tips for you guys. I'm still working on making a bigger, longer Nike Sneakers like in-depth guide, but I'll link some of those how to cop guides so you guys can look at the Nike Snkrs app, the tips that I have for it, because it really does help. So I will link that in the description. But like I said, Nike Sneakers gonna be your best bet. You're gonna wanna wake up. It's gonna be on January 22nd, 8 a.m. Mountain Time, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, normal Nike Sneakers drop. That's when you wanna go for that one. Honestly, just follow those tips in the description video and you will definitely be able to hit, most likely. Also, real quick, I want to show you guys the Sneaker Channel's Instagram page. It's Snkrs.kicks. I always link it in the description, but go give your boy a follow on there. I'm posting different polls about shoes, different video, like ideas. I got sneakers that I'm selling, other things that are coming out soon. So make sure to go hit that up. I'm also going to be doing some giveaways as well. Of course, in 2021, I got you guys. So make sure to give that page a follow. Next up, I'll show you right here real quick is an app called CopDate. If you guys haven't heard of this app, it became pretty big around the time of the Travis Scott dunk drop because all the skate shops decided to put it on that, and the app was honestly terrible at that time. But since this is more of a, like, not as hype release, I guess, the app does work very well. It's been working. You can see kind of the shoes here. They've been doing it with a bunch of different releases. And so locally on your skate shops, this will probably be the move for a lot of people checking out CopDate. Just download the app and you'll be able to see like around you what stores are coming out with this dunk. Enter some raffles. Get on that real quick because the date's coming close, but that's probably your best way to see some of the skate shops around you. Also, you can see this is the map of like the Nike SB skate shops in the country. So you can hit your location, you can just do anywhere, and you can see the different shops around in like your state. So that's another good way to see kind of the places where most likely, if it's a Nike Dunk release and you live in kind of a more populated, more hype area, I guess, for sneakers, like let's say like California, then definitely that you'll want to check this out because you can see the skate shops around you. That helps you to kind of, maybe you can talk with them, talk it up, see if they're going to get the shoes or not. But other than that, you guys got raffles. You should always be entering every raffle. If you guys seen videos in the past, Soul Retriever is definitely one of the best ways to see all those raffles. You can make an account and you can go through and like check mark all the ones that you've done already or ones that you like can't enter because it's foreign and stuff like that. So that's definitely the best way to enter those raffles. And then as far as other places to cop the shoe, it's going to be a very tough Tire Zero release. Not a lot of shops are going to be getting these. It was a pretty heavily skate shop release, so most of the skate shops will get them. There'll be a couple Tire Zero ones, but like I said, mainly focus on Nike sneakers. I will link some of those videos that show different tips and how to cop guides on the Snkrs app because they really do work. I'm definitely going to get that Nike sneakers in-depth guide for you guys in the future. We'll be making that video soon so we can all cop here in 2021. For the video today, that's going to do it. Let me know if you guys are going for the Street Hawker dunks in the comments down below. I'm excited for this release. I hope we all hit. This is going to be a crazy sick release. Hopefully we can see them up here on the wall next video. But make sure to subscribe, like the video. You guys are the best. We'll see you guys next time.